Hello everyone, today we're looking at Obsidian, Notion, and Notebook LM. These three tools handle your notes and data in very different ways. Choosing the right one depends on how you work and what you need to get done. First, let's talk about Obsidian. This tool is built for people who want to own their data. It stores everything locally on your computer. That means it's fast, private, and works even when you don't have an internet connection. The standout feature here is the graph view. It helps you see how different notes connect to each other. It's perfect for building a digital brain over time. However, it has a steeper learning curve than the others. You have to set up your own sync and plugins. If you love deep thinking and privacy, Obsidian is likely your best bet. This is the all-in-one workspace that most people already know. It's built around blocks and databases. You can create beautiful pages, project boards, and shared calendars. Notion is the clear winner for teams and collaboration. It makes it very easy to share a page with a friend or coworker. Everything is stored in the cloud, so you can access it from any device easily. The downside is that it feels kind of slow if you have too many pages. It also requires an internet connection to work well. If you need to manage projects or work together, Notion is the way to go. Finally, we have Notebook LM. This is the Google's AI research tool. It's not really a place to write long-form notes from scratch. Instead, you give it your existing sources. You can upload PDFs, website links, or text files. The AI then learns from those files and answers your questions about them. It can even turn your notes into a podcast-style audio summary. It's an amazing tool for students or researchers who need to digest a lot of information quickly. In short, use Obsidian for private, long-term thinking, Notion for team projects and organized layouts, and Notebook LM for fast research and AI summaries. Each one is great at what it does, so pick the one that fits your workflow today. If you found the video helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.